This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking the goal and minimal agenda so every minute counts. Once done, create the calendar invite, add the Google Meet link, and assign host or presenter roles. This prevents confusion. Make sure to test camera, microphone, and speakers before participants arrive, preferably using a wired connection or 5 GHz Wi-Fi for stability. Also set background and lighting quickly. A neutral backdrop helps reduce distractions, and close bandwidth-heavy apps so your connection stays reliable. Once the meeting starts, share the agenda screen so everyone follows the same timeline. This keeps pace and focus. You should enable captions when clarity is essential, and record only with consent so absent stakeholders can review. Make short, clear moderator cues to mute and unmute. This reduces background noise and speeds transitions. Also use hand raise, pin the active speaker, and manage who can present. Delegating quick tasks prevents interruptions and keeps the discussion on track toward the objective. You finish by summarizing decisions and assigning clear action items with owners and deadlines so momentum continues after the call. Once done, stop recording, end the meeting for all participants to avoid stray conversations, and save the chat or export notes to your task system. If something goes wrong, like audio cutting out, reconnect, restart the Meet tab or app, and switch to your phone hotspot temporarily. This quick recovery keeps progress from stalling and maintains credibility with participants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.